YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Let me hit you with this unofficial parody of my boy's food reviews. Now, let me tell you, I'm sitting here in my house, in my room, and I'm saying to myself, people review movies. People review food. You know what? I need to just review something totally original. So you know what I'm going to go ahead and review? I'm going to review malt liquor. Hey, I got a can of Hurricane malt liquor. That's right, Hurricane malt liquor. I ran down to my local 7-Eleven and I picked up a 6-pack of Hurricane malt liquor. Now some people would say, why is this person giving free advertisement to malt liquor? Well, what else I got to do? People say I should have been making videos. Oh well. Anyway, let's take a look. Wait a minute. Let me open this up. Alright, a rich malt liquor smell. Full. Little tang afterwards. Little tang. But notice how, I had the pinky. You see the pinky up? You gotta put the pinky up to let them know you're drinking it right. Look. Notice how I can hold the can, and every time I hold the can, you see the name. It's like, Hold on, let me do that move. Whoo. Out of 5, I'm going to give Hurricane malt liquor a 2. This has got to be some of the nastiest stuff I've been drinking. Ugh. Oh, I'm going to be sick. But oh God, I think I'm going to throw up. Oh. I sat here trying to make this video and drank 6 cans of this, drinking it. Oh God. Oh man. I don't see how he can review food and eat all that food. I can't even get through a 6-pack of malt liquor. Oh God. Oh Lord. I'll see you next week. I think I'll buy some Mickey's Big Mouth next week. And I'll tell you how that tastes.